A mysterious new entry in the FCC database has sparked excitement in the action camera world: the DJI OSMO Nano. The name alone hints at something game-changing. Nano suggests DJI is preparing to unveil its smallest, most compact action camera to date. With FCC filings typically preceding product launches by only a few weeks or months, this leak could mean an official announcement is just around the corner. The timing is particularly interesting, as it's been a while since DJI truly pushed the envelope in the compact camera space. DJI last ventured into ultra-compact territory with the Modular Action 2, which gained praise for its flexibility and innovation, but eventually gave way to more traditional models, like the Osmo Action 3 and 4. Those cameras, while capable, followed a safer design path. Now, the Osmo Nano could be DJI's bold re-entry into the ultra-portable action cam market, and it may be designed to go head-to-head with the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and the Insta360 Go 3S, both leaders in small form factor cams. If the rumors are true, DJI is aiming to take the best features of its competitors and improve upon them. The Osmo Nano is expected to be truly pocketable, potentially the lightest and smallest camera DJI has ever made. Early whispers suggest a return to the magnetic mounting system seen in the Action 2, which could allow for quick swaps between accessories and mounting setups. The FCC listing includes two model numbers, ON001 and OD001. While not confirmed, speculation is that ON001 refers to the camera itself, while OD001 might be a detachable or modular display. This could indicate a two-part design that gives users flexibility without compromising size. DJI is known for its strong image stabilization technology, and the Osmo Nano may take it even further. Insiders suggest the camera will feature advanced AI-powered stabilization to ensure smooth footage, even in high-motion environments. Improved heat management is also rumored, which would be a welcome upgrade considering the overheating issues faced by some earlier compact cameras. These features could make the Osmo Nano perfect for athletes, vloggers, FPV drone pilots, and creators who want pro-level video in a small package. While specific sensor details for the Nano remain under wraps, expectations are high. Given DJI's track record and the competitive landscape, it's likely the Nano will support at least 4K video recording, possibly with HDR and a wide field of view. Though not yet confirmed, there's hope it could feature a high-quality sensor optimized for low light and high motion, vital for capturing action footage on the go. The FCC documents only touch on connectivity specs, but rumors suggest that DJI is working on making the Nano more power efficient. That could mean longer shooting sessions without adding bulk. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity are expected, along with app integration for editing and sharing footage directly from your phone. Price and release: DJI hasn't confirmed a price, but looking at the Osmo Action 4's $270 price tag, the Nano could come in slightly below that to stay competitive with the GoPro Mini and Insta360 Go 3S. Some speculate a launch price around $199 to $249. Considering the FCC listing is now live, we might see an official reveal within the next few weeks. While the Osmo Nano is getting the spotlight, DJI also filed FCC paperwork for a 360-degree camera called the Osmo 360 late last year. Rumored to have a dual-lens design and a powerful 1.3-inch sensor, this camera could compete directly with the GoPro Max and Insta360 X5, offering high-end immersive video capabilities. Together, the Osmo Nano and Osmo 360 suggest that DJI is ready to expand its camera lineup in both directions, going smaller, wider, and smarter than ever.